Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications settings in Amazon Music. So actually guys, first you will need to open the settings in Amazon Music. So just launch your app and then tap on your profile icon that's located at the top left corner. So here you will need to go with the settings or the third last option, as you can see, and then scroll and find push notifications option. So this is the push notification. It's on the other section or the last section. It's the second option. Just tap it and then choose what notification you want. Okay, so if you want social promotion and offers, turn it on. Same for the music, new releases and recommendations, videos from Amazon Music, etc. Okay, but first you will need to allow the app or the notifications of the app from your phone's settings. So go with your phone's settings and then look for the notifications. Okay, so these are the notifications at the top, as you can see. Tap it, and after that scroll to the Amazon Music and turn the notifications on. Okay, so now you can actually turn on the notifications of the app. Okay, so as you can see this way. All right, so the changes or the most changes saved automatically and restart the app if notifications don't update immediately. So actually guys, that's it. It's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.